treasure hunts without the right tool are so frustrating. You need the right metal detector or you might as well give up. Advanced technology like discrimination settings allow users to focus on valuable finds, while ignoring unwanted metals like bottle caps. We did the heavy lifting to bring you the best options. Just make sure to use our links for the latest discounts. Let's get this thing on the road now. Number 5. Minelab X-Terra Pro. Highly versatile. Metal detection is a game of different terrains. That's where the Minelab X-Terra Pro stands out in our book. This model introduces flexibility through Pro Switch technology, which allows users to change frequencies depending on the environment and target type. You can search in a mineral-rich location. You can scan a well-trodden park. This capability ensures precision that many competing detectors fail to match. Most standard detectors stick to fixed frequencies, which limits their adaptability. The X-Terra Pro's waterproof design only boosts its usability. It can be submerged up to 16 feet when many alternatives in the market have much lower waterproof ratings. This extended depth capability opens up the possibility of finding coins, jewelry, and other hidden treasures where others can't operate effectively. Adaptable detection modes make it easy to tailor searches. Park mode works well in areas filled with modern trash, like pull tabs and bottle caps, while leaving valuable targets unharmed. Field mode sharpens the focus for relic and artifact hunters, and beach mode handles sand and salt interference with ease. Extra features include a built-in flashlight, as well as backlit controls and vibration feedback. These only show how much thought went into making this thing as usable under various conditions. These upgrades ensure the search doesn't stop when daylight fades. Audio clarity is another area where the X-Terra Pro impresses. It offers tones that make it easier to tell trash from treasure when you gauge target depth with pinpoint accuracy. The addition of wireless headphone compatibility is another thing we really liked here. Portability and comfort round out the package. Weighing only 2.9 pounds, the detector feels natural to use for long sessions. It collapses down to just 25 inches, small enough to slip into a backpack. That kind of compact design offers a mobility advantage over bulkier alternatives in its class. Good stuff! Number 4. Fisher F75. Best for gold hunting. Gold prospectors face a common challenge: how to find a reliable detector that adapts to tough conditions without sacrificing accuracy. The Fisher F75 rises to this challenge with features crafted for serious gold hunts. One standout element is its Double D waterproof search coil, designed to locate even tiny gold fragments in tricky mineral-heavy environments. Many detectors struggle in these conditions, but the F75 stays stable, offering results where lesser models falter. Ground balancing can make or break efficiency during hunts. The F75's trigger-actuated fast grab ground balance simplifies this process. It adjusts to different soil types instantly. Unlike other models requiring tedious fine-tuning, it reduces false signals and keeps the focus on targets. Supporting this is the magnetic mineralization bar graph, a unique tool that visually maps soil conditions. This feature proves especially useful in gold fields by helping users decide the best areas for detection. The large LCD screen with numerical target ID adds another layer of clarity. Its 0 to 99 scale helps separate gold from unreliable hits like nails or foil. This precision makes the F75 practical for busy prospecting sites, where time cannot be wasted digging for trash. Trash-laden zones become even easier to manage with double filter discrimination, a function that quickly eliminates worthless clutter while honing in on potential treasure. A quality detector should be as comfortable as it is functional. The F75 excels here with an ergonomic build that weighs only 2.9 pounds. Compared to heavier models with similar performance, makes long hours of prospecting less tiring. Hunters can carry it up rugged hills or across vast plains without strain. Its usability doesn't stop at comfort. Features like variable audio pitch pinpointing make recovering targets faster by providing clear audio guidance. For low-light hunts, the handy backlight ensures nothing gets missed at dusk or dawn. A rugged and weather-resistant body makes this detector ready for outdoor adventures, no matter where the hunt leads. Nice one! Number 3. Garrett AT Pro. Best for the beach. Beach metal detecting requires a tool that performs well in shifting sand, salty conditions, and water. The Garrett AT Pro offers this kind of reliability. Built specifically to tackle the challenges of coastal environments, it stands out as one of the most dependable detectors for beach treasure hunting. Unlike detectors that merely resist splashes, this one is fully waterproof up to 10 feet. That means whether you're walking along damp sand or wading in shallow surf, it delivers consistent results without skipping a beat. Saltwater and mineralized sands often cause trouble for many detectors by sending false signals. The Garrett AT Pro addresses this with manual and automatic ground balance settings, featuring its unique ground balance window. This advanced tool filters out interference from salt or naturally mineral-rich sands. While some detectors fail to handle these challenging conditions, the AT Pro excels, maintaining accuracy where others might fail. Navigating trash-heavy areas becomes easier with its high-resolution iron discrimination. With 40 adjustable levels, you can fine-tune the detector to separate valuable finds from junk. And when you pair that with iron audio, this model gives clear audio snippets that help identify ferrous metals before you dig. This saves time, that's for sure. Audio performance makes the AT Pro a standout too. The Pro Mode audio allows subtle variations in sound, which lets you gauge your target's size, depth too. Add the included MS2 headphones and you're all set. Beyond beach-specific capabilities, this device offers durability and ease of use. It weighs less than 3 pounds, so it balances rugged construction with comfort. This allows treasure hunters to cover wide areas. Its rapid recovery speed keeps detection smooth, even in trash-filled environments. We like it a lot. Number 2. Nokta Simplex Ultra. Amazing value for money. Value and performance often feel like a trade-off, but that's not the case with this detector. The Nokta Simplex Ultra strikes the perfect balance between affordability and performance, delivering features that outshine many pricier competitors. For treasure hunters looking to maximize their budget, this model is just an excellent choice. Consider the waterproofing depth of 16 feet. Many detectors in the same price range barely manage water resistance, limiting their use around water. Whether it's beach sands or shallow water searches, this detector handles such conditions with ease. The carbon fiber shaft adds even more value. Despite all this strength, this model is still lightweight. It can retract to just 25 inches too, which makes it ideal for travel. Easy storage too. The built-in rechargeable battery is another cost-cutting feature that delivers convenience. Instead of buying batteries repeatedly, users can recharge it through a USB connection. This reduces long-term costs and keeps the device more eco-friendly. A single charge supports hours of uninterrupted use, highly reliable for extended searches. The high-resolution color display adds a modern, user-friendly touch. Important information, such as target indicators, appear clear and easy to interpret. Adjustments to settings can be made quickly without frustration, allowing users to focus entirely on their treasure hunt. The included 11-inch search coil enhances detection capabilities. Unlike some other detectors that struggle to balance depth and accuracy, the Simplex Ultra remains consistent even in mineral-rich soils. That reliability is further improved by online firmware updates, easily accessible to keep the device running on the latest technologies. Weighing in at just 2.6 pounds, it's designed with comfort in mind. Long searches won't leave users feeling fatigued. Enhanced lighting features make it suitable for underwater use. For the listed price, you just can't beat this one. Number 1. Minelab Equinox 900, Best Overall. And now the time has come for all you lovely people to meet the Minelab Equinox 900, the winner for today. At its core lies the multi-IQ technology. Instead of relying on one frequency at a time, it uses 5 simultaneously. This ensures better accuracy when detecting metals like gold, silver, or iron. Similar detectors often require manual frequency changes, which can slow you down during a search. With the Equinox 900, transitions between different terrains such as wet sand or rocky fields feel seamless. Waterproof capabilities push this detector ahead of the competition. It works at depths of up to 16 feet, far surpassing other models that restrict their functionality to shallow water. Whether you scour riverbanks or conduct underwater dives, this model offers reliability where so many others fall short. A sophisticated target ID system sets it apart. With 119 levels of identification, it provides precise insights into what's buried below. This helps users gauge whether they've found treasure or junk before putting in the effort to dig. Comparatively, many detectors at this price point offer far less clarity, wasting valuable time and energy on unnecessary excavation. Comfort plays a big role in making the Equinox 900 user-friendly. Weighing only 2.8 pounds and featuring a collapsible carbon fiber shaft, it's perfect for long searches without any arm fatigue. It compacts to just 24 inches, which makes it easy to carry on adventures. Audio control has received careful attention as well. Subtle tonal changes help you pinpoint a target's size to give you a more immersive experience. The included wireless headphones enhance this feature with low latency performance. Low-light nighttime searches are no problem with this thing either. It has a built-in flashlight, there's a backlit screen, you're all set. You wanted the best, you got it. That would be all for today, guys. We hope this helped. And if it did, how about liking the video and subscribing to the channel? Have a good one and keep it valid.